Hey class, today we're going to be talking about the water cycle, just a quick little review from what we've learned in class. The water cycle, by definition, is the process by which water is circulated throughout the earth and atmosphere by means of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and transpiration. In simpler words, that's just saying how water circulates throughout the earth and the atmosphere. So we're going to take a quick look at this animation just as a good example for our project coming up, and we're going to talk through it. So most of us know most of the water on the earth is located in the ocean. So that's where our water is going to start today. What's going to happen is evaporation is going to be caused by the heat from the sun, and water molecules will enter into the atmosphere and form clouds by using the heat from the sun. These clouds are going to go out across the earth, and they are going to eventually precipitate. One fun fact that we could note is that precipitation might not occur for a really long time. So one single water molecule could actually go as far as halfway around the world before it goes back into the earth as either a drop of rain or a drop of snow, maybe some sleet, something like that. After it's back on land, it's going to enter back into the earth by either means of transpiration, which is by plants, or it is going to evaporate back into the air. It might drain into the ground to the water table, or go into a stream or a body of water, and that's what we're about to see. So we see those arrows right here. They're going back into the earth, entering into the water table, back into the ocean, or they are evaporating. These ones are going into a stream or a lake. Water from the lake is either evaporating or going into the stream. And that water from the stream will eventually lead back into the ocean, which is, if we remember, that's where most of our water is located. That water cycle is just going to keep happening over and over again. It's powered by the sun. That sun is going to cause evaporation, will create clouds. Those clouds are going to go across the earth, and they're going to precipitate. And the water is going to go back into the earth by either three means. It's going to either be transpiration, is going to evaporate immediately, go back into the earth, or it is going to go back into a stream or a river, eventually leading back into the ocean. Some things I just want us to take away from this lesson is going to be what powers the water cycle. What is that main factor that powers the water cycle? Does this cycle ever end, or does it just keep happening? One bonus question that might be on a future quiz or test or something is I would like us to know the definition of transpiration. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope this helps you out with understanding the water cycle.